Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. I've just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2016 Ford Kuga. Now all you need to do is turn the ignition on to stage 2, just with the lights on the dash there, but without starting the car, and press and hold the brake and accelerator at the same time. Keep that depressed, you'll get a little notification saying that it's resetting. Just keep the pedals depressed. And eventually it'll say oil reset complete. Now you can release the pedals and turn the ignition off. And if we turn the ignition back on, you'll see that's now been reset. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.